strapped to a breathing tube. Inside an intensive care unit, 8-month-old Sahra fights to survive.
She's in a very serious situation.
Sahra is sick with a potentially fatal lung infection. Next to her, 2 more infants with infected lungs. Doctors say this scene repeats itself every winter at Kabul's only children's hospital. Infants bedridden with lung infections likely caused by toxic air particles.
And this is where health officials say you'll find the poison air.
The streets of Kabul, one of the most polluted cities in the world. A city where your smartphone's weather app says the sky is blue, but walk outside and what you see is a shroud of dust and smog you can taste and smell. For years, health officials say, Kabul's air has been polluted by poorly maintained cars that burn low-quality fuel and millions of people who burn toxic material for heat and get rid of garbage by setting it on fire.
It's really dangerous.
Najat Malikyar is an activist from a local advisory group that consults the government on the environment. He says poisonous particles in the air and pollution contribute to the deaths of around 2,000 people in Kabul every year.
Every day we are losing a number of our citizens.
Even if one person is affected, it's a problem.
Ghulam Mohammed Malikyar, Deputy Director of the National Environmental Protection Agency, insists the government takes pollution seriously. Why isn't your government doing more?
It needs a long-term, it's a long-term process.
There are things the government can do now. For example, raise public awareness. That's relatively inexpensive. Why isn't the government doing that now?
The government has started the public awareness. And in the history of Afghanistan, this is the first time that we are concentrating on environmental management.
Other government plans include investment in proper sewage and waste management systems, initiatives that won't help Sahra, but could protect countless other Afghan children. Reza Sayah, Al Jazeera, Kabul.